guys, it's Stella from All About Korea. So I mainly try to give information and some insight about Korea. Today I want to give you some information how to use Netflix as language learning tool. Alright, then let's get started. So here we go. This is Netflix. Alright, you can watch whatever you like, but I recommend you to watch something released recently, but not about something explaining like 100 years ago or 50 years ago, because nowadays, as generation changes, how we use the language keep changing because language itself evolves. Alright, first of all, you're gonna search for language learning Netflix. Then you find this language learning with Netflix, and then just click it, and then you will add this on Chrome. Alright, would you like to add language learning with Netflix? Yes. Alright, so it is added. Okay, so you can use English, Korean, Japanese, Turkish, Thai, Chinese, traditional. So I will use English for now, no, in Korean. Alright, and then we simply go back to Netflix. You need to go watch something has CC. Alright, subtitle. 안녕하세요, 모국어를 선택해주세요. Please select your mother tongue. So I will think you're using English. So it's in Korean language now. So Africans, Arabs, and Bengal, Bosnian, and Bulgarian, and etc. So I click English. Yeah, so that you can have this. I'm not gonna use test here. There we go. So now, what you see is different. You can use subtitles in Korean, and the romanization will be way better for you to study language. So that's it. Alright. Then the last one thing, the most important thing you want to know, you want to download this script, and maybe you want to teach, or maybe you want to share this script with people. So here we go. It's really simple and easy. You click this one, 내보내기, and then you will format can be like print, HTML, or Excel sheet. So let me click Excel and export. Yeah, then I downloaded this. Alright, and you can download it, and here is a little bit of problem. Some Korean consonants and vowels and syllables are stuck together, but you can make it fine if you double click it and then enter. Yeah, then it became fine. So if you are a real beginner, it will be really helpful for you to it will make you get used to learning Korean and then using Korean consonants, vowels, and syllable. Alright, and I think you need to watch K-drama, because K-drama includes Korean culture and real life and fashions and real languages we use. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Please press like button and leave comment if you have any question. Thank you guys. Have a great night, and we see you next video.